Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find the list of the recalled products on the Lidl application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the more icon down below, which is the last option. Now, as you can see in the first column, the last option is product recall, so tap on this button. Now you will be directed to Lidl's page. If you scroll down, you can see all the recalled products. You can also speak to the customer services to check whether your region is affected in this issue, and whether you have both a particular product that needs to be sent back to the shop. So you can tap on the relevant one that interests you, and here you can see the product recall leaflet or page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.